Okay, we are up. Welcome back. I have a microphone, sort of, AirPods. Let it be, it's better, I think. Hello, Casey's back. Let's get through this shit, guys. First day of backtesting together. I am already on FX replay setup. I've set up the account to 50k. Daily loss limit 1,200 and the profit goal is 3,000. So yeah, let's go. I'll be using 4 to 5 micros and hopefully we can pass this account in one session. I'm gonna try and not overscale, which I tend to. Hence my win rate is fucked. Okay, let's see what happens here. So the minute time frame. Okay, we get an inversion to the upside after swinging low. Is it an inversion? Yes, it is. 30-second. That's what I thought. But these relative equal highs are super close to where we sort of want to go. So I would be going break even on them. We can try it. It's kind of tough. Also, stop loss placement. I mean, this low is high resistance because it has been swept. So yeah, I guess we could put it there. That's 360 to get a 1-to-1. Shit, I mean, yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna skip this trade. Let's just wait for a better one. Might play out, might not. Yeah, okay, it played out 100%. But yeah, well, we can count it as a win, but just better caution than risking bullshit, risking money on bullshit. It was right off open, so I'm sure that there's going to be more opportunity. So now at this point, it looks like, well, it looks like nothing, sort of, because we're all-time highing. That's a new term of mine, all-time highing. That's an environment where you just blindly long whenever. Of course, I'm kidding. Don't do that. But let's see what happens to this 15-minute gap. Okay, it rejected pretty well. But yeah, I'm not going to short all-time highs ever. So maybe I will, just because this low resistance is here, and I think we got a pretty good inversion. No, we did not, because the wicks are so shitty. Let's see if these. Okay, so it doesn't go really. Yeah, I'm just skipping this day because it looks like my grandma's laundry machine liquid barcode, whatever. Let's just go to the next one. Okay, interesting. So 5-minute is inversing. Yeah, inversing. It did, and it's gonna flush to the downside. I can see it, but it's a pretty tough entry. Still all-time highs because obviously I picked a shitty date. But yeah, it is what it is. Sometimes we gotta deal with it. Okay, interesting. Not really a clean anything. This 5-minute gap, let's see what happens to it. If we inverse it to the upside, okay. Okay. Nothing. It's a choppy day again. Okay, so we inverse it right now. But then again, we're just at the highs. I'm not gonna long it because it's just very bad trading. Yeah, well, it's just kind of tough. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so well, we start off with 2 day skips. The first trade was pretty solid, but that would be it in terms of good trading. Yeah, but I guess here's the lesson, right? Just it's better to skip through and wait some of these days when you don't see anything clean with your model, because otherwise you just spam unnecessary losses most of the time. So especially as beginners, I suggest like being more cautious than not, just because it's going to teach you patience. And trying trades just based off 1 or 2 confluences, they're probably going to work like some percentage of the time, but they're not going to teach you the most important thing, which is the mental side of things. And patience. So yeah, let's just see. Okay, I like this V shape, and we do get a pretty good inverse, and I think we are delivering from an hourly gap. So yeah, we should try it for sure. I'm gonna do 8 contracts here just because we got no trades for the first part of the video. Okay, it's too much. I'm gonna close one. Let's do 4. Yeah, let's risk 350 just under this candle because I don't want it coming back here, to be honest. At this point, I think this low resistance liquidity should get run through, and yeah, we can target the top of this for a 1-to-1. So let's go slowly. Let's monitor what's actually happening, and yeah, we will go break even at the first high. I think depends on the momentum. We are in a 30-second gap right now. Okay, we did kind of inverse it. Shit, I don't really. Okay, let's see the candle closures here. Yeah, okay, that's a pretty good closure. I will go break even here just because it's a sweep. So let's see. All right, still. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, so we get break even and we will hit it. I can see it. No, maybe not. Okay, another try. All right, well, tough market, to be honest. I guess the entry that was the earliest probably would have been here on the 15-second. A bit more risky, but super like discounted, which is optimum for a long, and up to these equal highs. So yeah, I haven't been part of the. I wasn't the part of the best trade possible. So I guess it's okay. We take a break even. And let's see what happens with this 1 minute. If we hold it, I think we can continue higher. We'll leave a lot of liquidity again. Okay, so are we going to inverse this one? Yeah, we are. So I will try it again. Just because it's a rebalance to 50% more or less. And it seems like a pretty good displacement. And yeah, just very low risk. Let's just try to hit this 1-to-1. If not, I'm ready to take the loss and we just go to the next day. But yeah, price seems pretty bullish. Yeah, 5 minute looks good. It's past 10 a.m. Okay, difficult. That seems pretty bad. We're just gonna hold the trade. I'm okay losing the 250. Interesting. It seems like buyers are trying to step up. Yeah, rejecting the lows. Okay, this might work actually. Okay, they're retrying again. What a market, man. Yeah, let's just get it over with. Okay. Yeah, this is not a really good trade. I mean, did we deliver off of anything? No, I probably missed one of my confluences, so that's a good lesson. Hourly, we're bearish, so it's a difficult long. I mean, this looks pretty bullish. Apparently, we don't give a shit about that. Just out of curiosity, I want to see if this 50% of like a rejection block, I guess we could call that, is going to hold. No, it doesn't hold. Okay, I don't give a fuck then. We just go to the next session. Okay, so we start with a loss. That's okay, and a break even. Sometimes that's life. Okay, we're taking this high. Let's see the higher time frame. So, okay, 4 hour pretty bullish, but this gap is my condition pretty much. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's holding, and now, yeah, it seems to me like this might want to reverse right now. ES, yeah, sometimes I completely forget to look at ES, which is not very good. Okay, this Judas swing would be nice if we close above 135. Yeah, and we just do a 1-to-1, pretty much just like that. Okay, let's see. Okay. Perfect closure. I'm gonna take it. Let's try 8, just because this video is just gonna be super long if we don't try to pass the account quicker. But yeah, don't do it on an eval, stick to your rules. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I would go break even just when we touch the high. Okay, right now. Do we touch it? Yeah, pretty much. Let's just analyze higher time frame for the sake of it. The 5 minute is very bullish, and we did take this high, and we treat it as a Judas swing, I guess. But are we delivering off of a gap? That's the question. Well, yes, we are. Interesting. So, pretty good trade. Let's see if it works. Okay, we're being edged. We are great. Beautiful. And just like that, just one very A+ trade, I would say. Nice Judas swing, and yeah, 600 up. So we just need like one, two, like 5 trades more. No, 4 trades. If we take that size. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the next one. 4 hour. Interesting. This gap is here. Daily. Yeah. So we rebalanced. Still respecting this gap, which is a very bullish sign, and we are all-time high. Okay, I'm not gonna look for shorts at all. That's just what I think is the right thing to do here. Let's see this 5-minute get inversed and run all this liquidity. Maybe manipulate somewhere to the downside. Let's see if there's anything untaken. Well, these equal those. I think we could just take them and then skyrocket. Let's see. Pretty second. Let's see. Okay, we are taking the lows. Perfect. Taking the lows. Interesting. That's really good. But you know, we did. Okay, let's try it. It looks like good displacement. We can just try it to the open. Not like requiring much out of this. Oh, okay, we didn't close. Okay, so the closure wasn't as good as I thought. Apparently, yeah, we just get stopped out. Not good. Yeah, I think this is still gonna go. But my bad. I just thought we closed very strongly, like here, and this gap also got inversed, and it was just a little, like 15 seconds. So yeah, sweeping the internal lows now. Interesting. Yeah, yep. Seems like we're gonna go. So here's our closure, and we should try again. So 1 to 1. Let's see. Okay, this 5-minute is on the way, but I don't really care. I don't think. Yeah, I think it's just gonna get smacked. Okay, it's holding for now, which is not very optimal. Slight pullback here. Yeah, just go through the 5-minute. Okay, cool, beautiful. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but I just kind of saw, just from the patterns that were happening, there was a huge 1-minute here, and we could just be taking this trade at this point because, yeah, it got inversed. So I mean, if someone was playing just the 1 minute, this could be a play as well until these highs. I mean, we can try it actually because we are up on this day. So if we try it like this, we can just try to the highs. It's not going to be 1 to 1 because it's just very extended. But yeah, it should go. Equal highs, come on, just hit them. I'm just gonna go a bit faster. Okay, we are not hitting shit, apparently. Okay, looks good, finally. So it's very normal for price to retrace after sweeping, like, I guess these tiny little equal highs. It's very expected. That's why we put a stop like at the very swing. Like technically, the stop could also be just even here, but that would be 60 points. So depends what you want. I mean, at this point, it looks like we want to go up very much. So if someone would be playing a 5-minute here, that could also be a trade. But at the same time, we are sweeping, you know, equal highs here, and the hourly does look very bullish though. I'm curious to try this. Let's just not try it, but let's just see. Okay, so even this move. Okay, so if we entered here off of the 5-minute, we would still get 70 points, which is very fucking solid. So everything works this high. Oh shit, that almost got taken. That's why I always put like take profit a bit like closer than the high itself, because sometimes this happens. I still think this will reverse to the upside though, but yeah, most people will probably go break even at this point. Yeah, what is this Drake candle? Okay, let's just skip this and try the next one. So again, daily. Okay, bullish, super bullish. Okay, so the hourly, the previous day that we were playing was, is it Thursday here? It's Thursday here, so we were playing this one. So we did pull back quite a lot, just to take this low. And yeah, and we are in this 30 minute. It's kind of tough for longs though, because we're very premium at this point, and this looks like a short opportunity, but yeah, I think this low just gets taken, or these equal lows, relatively, and then yeah, okay, cool. So I guess this is a low resistant thing. Okay, beautiful. We take everything. So now I'm looking at a long opportunity, but I'm not gonna be rushy with it because we had a very huge. I'm gonna wait for this gap. It's the 15 second, 30 second as well. Okay. So I'm going to wait for this gap because we had a huge distribution to the downside. I think sometimes after these moves, you can take quite a while to prepare to like get a relief to the upside. Okay, so we get a closure here. Okay, and we get a closure here. Okay, this just looks like a range. Again, sweeping internal lows. Oh, interesting. Sweeping another internal low. It looks like this day is really bleeding. Jesus Christ. Wow. Okay, so yeah, like I said, it was tough for longs. Okay, curious. Interesting, we could take this 15 second. Question is, are we... Okay, I don't like this because this is left intact. Did ES... Oh shit, this is not even ES, my god. Okay, this is the first video, so yeah, lower the expectations. I will be better next time, I promise. Okay, interesting. So yeah, we did not sweep this, and ES did not sweep it as well. This gap is holding, I suppose. It's the 15 minute and this 30 minute. So it is a delivery. Let's just try it half of the size until this high for 1-to-1, 240, 240. Let's see. Okay, again, yeah, I think this might work because when this happens, in my experience, when we sweep, and then as you can see, like this candle is very, very like rejected to the upside. So it signifies pressure to the downside. But then once again a candle comes up here, this and closes like this shows me one of two things. I think, or it just shows me that sellers were really like trying to protect this level and bring it back down, but they did not manage, so they put their positions here, and market still was more like buyer oriented, and there was more buyers, so these sellers are getting absorbed. I don't know if this is correct, but yeah, in my experience it works, so that's why this trade hit. So yeah, okay, we've been recording for 19 minutes, which is fine. Okay, let's see if there's anything else for us here. Let's just see if this 5 minute gets inverse, then we can look for a relief to the upside, like a longer, bigger trade, I think could work. So the 5 minute. Okay, so we do inverse it. How many points is that? 70 points, that's quite a lot. But if this is 10 a.m., this is the 1 minute here. Okay. So interesting. Okay, we are holding this pretty nicely. I would just try this trade in a way. I would go bigger size until this high, these kind of relative equal highs, but I would put my stop loss just here, just because I want this gap to hold like it is right now. So that's the only reason I'm entering, is because we did inverse the 5 minute. We did not sweep everything here, but I don't know, sometimes we just don't. and it looks like a good V shape. So let's just try it. Let's be courageous, as they say. Yeah, let's go. Okay, quick loss. So this gap did not hold, and yeah, interesting. So we did inverse the 5 minute, and suddenly we're just flushing. Wow. So yeah, clearly this low is gonna get taken. If it's not, then I don't know. I kind of gonna start to question my. Okay, it does finally. So I guess now is the right time to potentially start looking for longs. There is a 15-second inverse. There is a 30-second. No, there isn't. There is now. Okay, let's just slam this, because I don't want this video to last forever. If we lose the challenge, we lose the challenge. We just take the hit. 8 contracts here. Let's see. Okay, take profit. Okay, let's just go to the next day. Forget about this one. As you can see, I'm pretty much aware, like when I'm not entering off my full model, and it just works less, you know. So these are the reps that I'm doing here to kind of mitigate in my not kind of just mitigate in my real trading. So that's why it's so important to backtest and, you know, even see how you react to losses in backtesting, because that also can just reveal. Of course, it's not real money and stuff, but just losing in anything, if you have a mindset of, you know, of being a loser or hating yourself for it, then you're gonna hate yourself here as well. So it's a good training camp. Okay, let's see what happens to this 30-second. Where the fuck are we in the higher time frame? Are we? Yeah, we are all-time high again. Okay, interesting. Well, let's see. It's kind of tough to short this, to be honest, because yeah, it seems like it's just gonna pump. I would just be longing this if I was a gambler, but try not to be. So yeah, this gap is holding. You see, like, but there's no entry, literally no entry here. So okay, interesting. Maybe this is a manipulation. No, it's just a distribution still. Wow, really tough here. I mean, was there anything I could have taken? This is really pre-market like this, but it's nothing. And then we pump 300 points. If you guys haven't seen the video from yesterday where I explained what we're going to be doing in this channel and what series this is, then go ahead and check it out. I'll leave the link in the comment section. Okay, there is a 30-second here, but no, I mean, this is just too. Yeah, this is short, but Jesus. Okay, we can just take this short, just because I want to do something in this video to fill this 5-minute gap. It's gonna be like let's do just 1-to-1. So we are 1 minute inversing, 3-minute inverse. Let's see. Okay, it's really tough here. I think it's gonna just stop us out. Okay, it doesn't. Maybe it will now. Okay, beautiful. At least we got something in difficult conditions, because this is very unlikely. Like, there is nothing to deliver here from, and we might as well just start pumping soon. I'm curious to see this 5-minute. If it holds and we get a good V shape. Okay, again, there is a wicked candle, and if we come back there, which we are not. Okay, great. So this 5-minute is getting smacked. Wow, interesting rebalance. I guess there is a lot of imbalance below. It's 30 minutes holding. Okay, we could look for a long here. Okay, let's slam it. Let's just triple the size so we end this video nicely. How much we need? 900. 1, 2. Even less we can do here, here, here. And then we can risk the same. So yeah, this is not like probably stop loss should be here, so I'm just gonna do it with a model. In terms of yeah, we will go break even at these probably. Okay, and we get it. We'll go break even, and we get break even. Unlucky, we were like 90% in profit. That's fine. So maybe this short will continue. Okay, so our long is still valid. Let's try it again. Big. What's happening? So I'm being interrupted by some person. Okay, and this, yeah, we get stopped out. Jesus Christ. Okay, so this long literally didn't work. I should have gone break even at this high. Awesome. So at this point, yeah, well, we can try and still look for longs, I guess. And it's kind of lunchtime. This 30-minute gap is still holding. I can't believe like we're not. Yeah, we're just gonna go now. Yeah, let's try it again. I think this 30-minute gap is gonna deliver like super. Oh wait, I got it. Okay, I didn't even put the stop. I would have just put it here. If you are curious, just want this shit to finish. So yeah, we got it. I think. Let's close the position. Yep. Oh, what? Wow, 3,000 equal. So yeah, there you go. In terms of stats, pretty hectic session. Not ideal. Definitely a lot of stuff to improve. 66%. Considering what I was trading, like if we subtracted the trades that I was like kind of half-assing in terms of sticking to my plan, like the gap hold, or yeah, just trades that I wasn't sure of, then I think you can easily pump out like 80% out of this strategy of delivering from a gap, inversing on any time frame, as long as there is a sweep and there isn't conflicting draws. And it's much better if the higher time frame is on your side, like the trend, I mean. So yeah, liquidity is key. We can go through all the pools in the next video, and I'm just gonna make a series of like pure education technical shit, and this one is a backtesting series. So thanks so much for watching, and really I appreciate it. Truly, I'm so excited about this channel, and let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. Let's make our lives awesome. All right, much love. Take care.